Hello, students of grade 1. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Today, our topic is changing materials from Unit 3. What are materials? An object that made of matter. The substance used to make something is called a material. Materials are the matter or substance that objects are made from. A school desk, for example, may be made from wood, plastic, or metal. Wood, plastic, and metal, these are materials. Let us learn about materials and its properties. Wool is soft and smooth. It is thick and keeps your body warm on a cold day. Glass is transparent, which means you can see through it. It is also waterproof and strong. It is brittle, hard, but it can be easily broken. Metal is very strong and rigid, so it is hard to break and bend. Plastic is waterproof and transparent. Plastic can be found in different forms. The water bottle is quite soft, whereas TV remote is hard. Wood is hard and strong. It is hard to bend. Objects are made from different materials because of the different things they can do. There are many things you can do to change the shape of something. You can stretch it, you can bend it, you can squash it, you can twist it. Now let us see what does the following word means. Stretch. When we stretch a material, the shape of a material changes by pulling, making it longer or wider. Bend. When we bend an object, the shape of an object changes. It becomes curved or folded and not straight. Squash. Squash changes the shape of an object by pushing or crushing it, making it shorter. Twist. Twist changes the shape of an object by turning parts of it in different ways. Use the pictures 3.1 in page number 26 from your textbook. These pictures show modeling clay being bent, twisted, squashed, stretched. To do this activity, you will need a clay or Play-Doh. If you don't have it, no need to worry because at the end of the video, you will get instruction to make your own homemade modeling clay. Flexible materials are easy to change its shape and are used to make materials that makes us comfortable, like seat of a car, sofa, and blankets. Whereas inflexible materials does not bend easily, like wooden spoon, glass, key. Some materials are hard and it is difficult to change, like metal. Metal are used in key, lock, knives, spoon, refrigerator are made from metal. Metal are strong and not easily broken. We can bend strong materials by using heat and tools. Some hard materials changes when they are heated. Screen was made by heating metal and then bending it using tools. Some glass bowls are made by heating glass and bending it using tools. The marbles are also made of glass. They recycle the rejected object to make marbles. Elastic are stretchable. The rope that is tied to a bungee jumper is made from a material that stretches. Rubber is a natural material. Elastics are made of rubber. Rubber is made from the sap of the rubber tree. Sports players use elastic materials to train their muscles to build their strength. The primary function of resistance bands is to increase muscle and joint strength. Which material do you think will change shape when they are squashed? Sponge are soft and flexible, It changes shape temporarily. It goes back to its original shape. When you squash the balloon against different surfaces or objects, observe how it changes shape. Example, when you press against a flat surface of the balloon, it looks flat, but when you squash a tomato, it will burst. To make a homemade modeling clay, you will need half a cup of salt, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of warm water, a little cooking oil. Basic dough recipe. Add half a cup of salt to 1 cup of flour in a bowl and stir in half a cup of warm water. You may not need all the water. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Knead the mix on a floured surface until it takes on the look and consistency of Play-Doh. The dough can be stored in a plastic bag in a refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Before I conclude the lesson, let us try to answer the questions. Think about what the following objects are made from. Spectacles. It is made of glass, pencil, wood, tissue, paper, balloon, rubber, key, metal. Good, that's all for today. Thank you and stay safe.